Are you looking for that perfect dropshipping niche in the UK? If you are, here's something that might surprise you. Now, most dropshippers fail in the UK because they pick the wrong niche. In this video, I'm going to show you what the best niches are, and it's all backed by real data. Hi guys, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner. I've helped hundreds of businesses just like yours start and scale their businesses. And in this video, I'm going to answer a question that always comes up. How do we pick the right niche? So let me break down what's happening in the UK right now. Now, first off, you got kitchen and dining. This is a £720 billion market. You can sell things like air fryers and electric kettles, premium kitchen organizers, but here's what most people miss. Now, what you really want to do in this niche is actually drill down even further and go into the eco niche. That's a much better market, a much smaller market, but extremely profitable. And then next up, you've got the home and bedroom market. It's not as big a market, but it is a £120 billion market. And in this market, you're going to be looking at things like sustainable bedding, smart home accessories, and premium organizational solutions. And what you really want to do in this market, guys, is really focus on those premium segments, the ones where people actually pay for great quality. Now, global dropshipping is reaching $351.8 billion in 2025. You're looking at a 23.6% annual growth rate, but this is where AI comes in. Look to do things like brand building strategies, supplier relationships, and also customer service excellence. One of the best niches at the moment that's got great growth is the child and baby niche. This year alone, you're looking at least a 6.4 annual growth rate. And then with this, you've got smart home integration, and you've also got eco-friendly products. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, you really want to join my free community called the Ecom Network. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And if you like that, you're gonna love our next video, which is me showing you how dropshipping works and how to actually scale your business. I'll show you the step-by-step process we've helped stores within our community start and scale their businesses.